Hello, I am Anup Kumar Baghel, the founder of LexiNexiAI Private Limited. We are an innovative company based in India focused on developing cutting edge artificial intelligence solutions. I am going to show you the demo of one of the product of LexiNexiAI. Name is LAID, Lexi Agent in Development. It's a desktop app and it's like virtual assistant for you for software development work. As Slade is a developer assistant, so it helps you in your development work with the help of artificial intelligence. Our agent can do many things. We have highlighted the 8 point which is helpful for a developer assistant. First is agent can make a understanding of your project. Agent can list your project files. Agent can open files in your project, can alter the code based on your command, make you understand code on your request. It means if you want to understand some code like why this code part is like that, then agent also make you understand that code, why these codes are like that, can modify the code file on your request. If you say to the agent that can you made change this for me, then agent will modify that code for you and write it into the file. Can remember something if you want agent to, so it can also remember. If you tell agent please remember this, then it can remember that as well. So let's look at the practical to the project. So this is the project agent is going to work with. Project name is exa process, so it's a bill generation process. So basically there are government works like water tank in villages. So it's something look like, so these are the functionalities like download the bill, copy the bill like that, edit the bill, delete the bill, etc. So if edit the bill, and once these all form gets filled, and then these are the calculations of the amount, something like that. And then if we click on this download, we the bill gets downloaded to us. So uh, our agent in this demo is going to work with this project. The bill, so bill is generated like this. Yeah, now let's see how our agent is going to work with this project. So this is our project agent. Here we can select the LLM, whatever LLM we want over here, like OpenAI, ChatGPT, and Gemini. Here history will be maintained. Here log out, and from here we can interact with the agent. So let's give the first command to the agent. Can you please understand the project entry? We need to give the entry file as well. Entry file is app.py. So basically it starts from the entry file to make the understanding, to make that this is the project in which basically our agent is going to make understanding of. So before making the understand, it is going to ask whether let me collect the project details. Do you want the agent to collect project details? Options are yes or no. So basically we keep a barrier over here so that it will ask from the user. It will be, because this is going to be a heavy process of 2 to 3 minutes, so it will not run as normally. If suppose by mistake if agent is want to run this, so definitely agent simply cannot run. Agent needs to ask the user, can I run this? Then if we say yes, then it is going to run. It is Then our agent is going to run that understanding process, and it is going to make the understanding and creates an understanding file over there into the project. Like this is the targeted project for agent. So here there is a folder is our agent is going to create over here a folder named late desk. So that is the late description file will be created over here. If we go how our agent is currently working, so this is the console basically. So it's currently have visited. So it had visited these files, app.py templates, group.file, and this. So this three files have visited, right? Visited and processing. So currently our agent is processing editable HTML and visited these files. So one by one it is going to visit all the files and make a understanding, and that understanding it is going our agent is going to store in a file, and file in the project folder in the same. Late description is a special folder that is that our agent is going to create over here and store over there. It's a robust architecture that we call as intent engine. So we can create the intent. So here also, first basically overall architecture is created for the general agent. Now that's developer capability is added to it later, and uh, that's added to it later, and that looks promising. That's why we are forwarding it as a developer assistant, but agent can do anything. So currently visited files gets increased. So if you can see over here, visited files many, I think it's going to end. It's about to end. I think we are looking into the web app as a web, but it is going, this is going to be the especially laid Lexi agent in development is going to be the desktop application, so that the user can download this application to their computer, and this application behaves as a personal agent for their development, for the developer to help them in development. And especially one more thing, and developer can our agent can sit into the system and help the developer. And with this basically developer or user can go anywhere and also can control this with the mobile, and just tell to the agent like, please change this file, please open this file, show this file, change this code, can you commit this code, like that. So that is our main motive, like if developer is busy as well, but developer can work. So not much effort developer needs to put, like sitting into the desk and typing like that. So that all work gone. It's a AI assistant is sitting for you, sitting for your help, to help you to develop. So you just give the instruction, please open that file, change that function, write that logic. So this AI will be show it to you. Agent is not completely independent, it's depending upon you, but it unloads your lot of work, unload a lot of work for you, so that it takes some of work from you, and you just need to use your brain to just give the commands and make the changes here and there, like that. So I have successfully created the project files connection txt, this project files txt, task completed. Okay, so let's see into the project. Yeah, here late description that's created, two files get created, and let's see the connections, the detail file, and this is the summary file. Let's see in the summary file. First is it's list all the project, it gives the list of the project files, then it's created like this, the app.py functional interaction of app.py. The file, when we ask further question to the agent, then agent may refer to this file and give the answer, and it's not every time like agent is going to collect the project details. If there is some update, then definitely we can run it once a day. So it will. For our second command, let's start the new chat. Click over here. So it's a new chat gets started, and that old chat is comes into the history. Can you please understand like that? So in this new chat, our first command should be like list project files. The expectation is it's going to list the files. Yeah, listed, task gets completed. Now let's what we do, this app.py. So the main file in this project is app.py. So let's tell to our agent, can you please explain me the functionality of app.py, mainly MAI, and mainly about the routes. So now agent is going to, yeah, so agent is open this file, So the all decisions is going to be taken by the agents only. So agent is open this file. Definitely this file is so big. Yeah, so here agent makes and give the reply like the app.py file is a Flask application that manages various routes handling bills and groups. Here's the breakdown of its functionality. So basically these all information is not given to the LLM directly. It gets its understanding from the project itself. And login, index, callback, logout, bills, add bill. So this is the information displays the edit page of the. So this is the information uh, get by our agent only, ChatGPT 4 mini. So this task gets completed. Another thing we can let's we try to make some change over there in file. So which file we can change? boqapp.py. So there is one boqapp.py and its related HTML is this templates boq upload HTML. So we are going to see one important thing over here, like what is the understanding level of agent. So let's see over here, show. Let's start the new chat so it's not get clutter. Yeah, show boq underscore app.py. Yeah, so this is the file it shows to us, boq app.py. So let's suppose if we want to remove this functionality, create BOQ bill ID in our development, and suppose definitely this can be do from our this can be done from our mobile as well or from any device. So let's tell it to, can you please remove create BOQ functionality. So our this is the understanding of the agent. We just need to talk to the agent like what we need to do, and let's suppose agent is going to complete our work, means going to follow our command. So this agent is agent is basically this file, this create boq functionality gets removed from this file, and now agent is asking, I'm going to write the above code to boq app. Above code means this already have change done, like it removes the create boq functionality. Yeah, that's correct. So I said yes. Yeah, before changing any file, uh, agent must need to ask the user. That's why this is the option over here. So yes, if we say yes, then file gets changed. Let's look into our project and change over here. So boq app gets changed, and see this create boq functionality gets removed over here, and there is no change in any other section of the file. Yeah, so this is very exciting for me when I test this capability of this agent. I also surprised by seeing this much efficiency of agent, especially with the chat gpt. With Gemini 1.5 Pro it makes a mistake. That's why I generally run with the GPT 4 mini. Yeah, so this is remove the functionality, and let's see more understanding of this agent. Can you uh, please show me its related, basically it takes the path wrong template, something like take automatically the correct path, like please list project files. So list the project files with the help of intent. So here we can find that path over here, like boq html templates. So we give this to our agent. The correct path of file is this. Now can you please show me now? Yeah, So now I expect it to open file for me. Yeah. So this agent open this file. Now here also that there is one create BOQ button. I want to remove it. So can you please also remove create BOQ from here as well. Yeah. So our agent can do this. So like that agent will help us. We just give the command and definitely it gets removed here in the project. So there is no HTML file over here as of now. Once that gets changed, we can see HTML file also over here. So we say yes, please change. Then HTML file gets changed. Come here. So let's see what changes it has made. It has made these changes. All files get intact and this. So basically, how agent will do and can agent will agent always do the perfect? Maybe no. It's about the LLM only. How the LLM is working with the code. So ChatGPT 4o Mini is working very perfectly. That's why I prefer to work with. Mostly, I work with ChatGPT 4o Mini. But in our agentic model, agentic project like this, so there can be any LLM over here. So I have hide the Llama 3 and Sonnet Cloud A 3.5. That is also there, but they are not work for me. That's why I hide. Help us to work onto a project, and we just need to guide our agent what it need to do. Agent will do for us like that. Let's have the scenario. We are in a cafe ordering a coffee, and till the waiting period, let's try to work in our project. So, open this page in web browser. Let's log in. This web application is currently hosted from my computer only. It's like your computer, AI assistant, and you in the cafe. Now you are going to talk to your AI assistant to change in your project. That would be done from here. Let's try to do the same with the mobile. Let's interact with our agent. So first command is list project files, so that it will list the project files. Yeah, it lists the project file, and the task gets completed. Project files get listed. So here we are in a cafe and we are interacting with our project. Yeah, so let's look into some file. The same thing we are trying to do here, which we have done from the computer. So using the mobile around the cafe or waiting in the hospital line or somewhere else, we can work in our project. That's a great use case for this type of agentic project like LADE, Lex Agent in Development. We can work with any device. So basically, from our machine, this website gets get hosted. Definitely, port forwarding gets needed over there. So once there is a port forward on this URL, our environment get hosted, our application get hosted. Now we are interacting with our agent application, and the agent is going the on our command. Agent is going to make change in our project. So we have. Can you please remove create BOQ? Yeah. So here we give the command. Please remove create BOQ. The agent is going to remove this functionality from BOQ underscore app.py. Let's see if it will do it. Yeah, it's it has already done that and ask us whether to move it into the file or not. Basically, agent asks us to whether he have the permission to write it in the file or not. To make any change in file, agent is going to ask the user. Now, see, we say yes, and it's get basically agent write that code to our file. So now our file has the modified code over there. Yes, this use case I created for mainly for myself only, as as I am a developer for tech lead from last 12 years. Now AI is in the market, so it gives me a great opportunity that I build something for myself so that I can involve with my project. Either around the cafe or around in the hospital line or somewhere else where I cannot fully concentrate or cannot have the laptop with me all the time. So laptop definitely I keep it into my room or my office, and I can program for from anywhere in the world. So that's a great use case for the developers like me. I want to work in my project. Whether I travel, I am into the bus, I am into the train, or I am into the like journeying some places and all that thing. But my project keeps on going. Majorly the thought process is like AI is going to work on the project, and uh, whenever the AI feels some difficulty, then connect me. Definitely this is at the starting stage, but on the later like 6 months or 1 year, after 1 year, I want it to be like that, like AI is doing all the work. Definitely, AI is not that expert like us. AI will going to ask, take the expert suggestions from us that what I need to do here and all. AI can do the mail, and in the mail, AI will ask if something not able to achieve by the AI. If everything achieved by the AI, that's great. Do it. No, we have no problem. But if AI is unable to do something, then we try to build a framework where AI will ask to the uh, human expert like what I need to do here. Then human expert give their response like here you can do this, and AI certainly complete its work and our project. Basically, here we see with this project, around all productivity gets increased, developer productivity gets increased, and this agentic framework or agentic workflow is not limited to the developer only. This can automate anything, but yeah, so that I have started to automate my work first. Once I automate all my work, then definitely with this agentic workflow, we can automate most of the things in the world intelligently. Definitely now as well, things gets automated, right? But with the instructions only. Now AI is there, and so much good AI is there, right? AI is so intelligent, and AI impresses me so much that now the automation needs to be much more intelligent, but I don't see it happening around me. So let's do it. We do it from our company, LexiNexiAI. Have a great day.